Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our new lesson. Today, our lesson is mass. What's the meaning of mass? Mass is one way to measure an object. As you see two scales. Which one you will use when you will go to your doctor? Good, this one. And when you go to the supermarket, which one you will use? Yes, this one. But what's the difference between your weight and, for example, an apple weight? We can say that you are the heavier weight. So, as we see here, you can find a picture for tomatoes and a child. So, which one is light and which one is heavy? Good. The heaviest one is the child. When we measure a child, we measure by a unit. We call it kg. It's kilogram. And here, a unit, we called it gram. Okay? Again, so when we want to change from kilogram to gram, it means from the big units to small units. There is always a rule. When we make it from kilogram to a gram, we multiply. Whenever we want to transfer the big unit to a small unit, we multiply. But we cannot multiply with any number. Here, we will multiply with 1,000. And if we want to convert from the small unit to a big unit, we divide. When we multiply by 1,000, we should divide over 1,000 at the same time. So, let's take an example. Okay, let's take an example here. If I have 3 kilograms, and I want to transfer it to a gram, what I will do? Good. As I say, when I transfer from big unit to a small unit, what I will do? I will multiply with what? With 1,000. Good. So, the answer will be 3 multiplied by 1,000 will be 3,000 grams. Again, another one, 4 kilograms, and I wanted to make it as a gram. What I will do, I will see. If it is the big unit, I will multiply with 1,000. So, the answer will be 4,000 grams. Now, I want to transfer 4,000 grams to a kilogram. What I will do, this is what the small units, and I want to make it to a big unit. What I will do, I will divide. Divide over what? As I multiply, I will divide, so I will divide over 1,000. Let's make the division here. So, we can say that every 0 eats 0, every 0 eats 0, every 0 eats 0, so the answer will be 4 kilograms. Another one, 5,000 gram. I want to transfer it to a kilogram. What I will do, I will see first, it is what? The small units, and I want to transfer it to the big units. What I will do, good, I will divide over 1,000. So the answer will be 5 kilograms. Let's make it hard for you. Now I have 2 kilo and half. And I want to transfer it or convert it to gram. What I will do, first we should know what the meaning of half and quarter and 3/4. See with me. First of all, we will start from the smallest amount. Now, this is a quarter of pizza. When we make it as a fraction, this will be. Okay. This means what? As it's written here, quarter kilograms means 250 grams. Again, quarter kilogram equal 250 grams. Now, move to half. What we see here, a half of the pizza, if we make it as a fraction, it will be like this, half. Half kilogram equal 500 grams. Again, half kilogram equal 500 grams. Now, what we see here, we see 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. 3/4 kilogram equal 750 grams. Again, 3/4 gram equal 700 grams. Now, if we come back to our challenge, we will see I have 2 kilo and half. In this one, first I will transfer the whole number as we did before. 2 kilogram. When I want to transfer it to gram, what I will do, I will see. If it is the big unit and I want to transfer it to the small unit, again, what we will do? Yes, we will multiply by 1,000. Good. So the answer will be 2,000. But I have half kilogram. What it means, as we see it now, what it means 500 grams. Now, what we will do, we will add 2,000 plus 500, so the answer will be 2,500 grams. Another one. Okay. Again, let's revise. 1 kilogram equal 1,000 grams. Half kilogram equal 500 grams. Quarter kilogram equal 250 grams. And we take also 3/4 kilogram equal 750 grams. This is basic. We should know. Okay, let's take more example for you. Okay, 1 kilo and quarter kilogram, I want to transfer it to gram. First of all, I will see if it's the big unit. It means what I will do, I will multiply with 1000. But here I have a whole number and I have a fraction. I will take the whole number and multiply it with 1000 is equal 1000 gram. Then 1/4 kilogram, it means 250 gram. Now add 1000 gram plus 250 grams equal 1250 gram. Let's take another one, but now, okay, let's solve these examples together. What I have 7 kilogram and I wanted to transfer it to a gram. Again, I will ask myself, which one is bigger? Good, this one is the big. Now, that means I will multiply by 1000. 7 multiplied by 1000 give me 7000. Now, let's solve this. 8 kilograms and I wanted to transfer it to gram. Again, ask yourself, which one is the biggest unit? Good, it's kilogram. Now, multiply this value with 1000. Good. So the answer will be 8000. Another example. Now, as you can see, I want to transfer 5000 what? Gram to kilogram. That means we will transfer from the small unit to the big unit. So what we will do? Good. We will divide over 1000. 5000 divided over 1000, the answer will be 5. The second one, 6000 gram, I want to transfer it to kilogram. What does it mean? It means that I want to transfer from the small units to the big units. Okay, what I will do? I will divide over 1000. Okay, here, divide 6000 over 1000, the answer will be 6 kilogram. Now, let's start on your book, page 186. You will see the first challenge. Write gram or kilogram next to each object to show which unit you would use. As we said before, the big unit is kilogram and the small unit is the gram, which we can write it as G. Okay, so this is the big and this is the small units. Let's see the pictures. The first one, we have a horse. What do you think? A horse can be measured by kilogram or a gram. Ask yourself, you can carry a horse? I think no. So it will be so heavy for you. So I will use kilogram. A goat, I think for you also would be so heavy, so I will use kilogram. What about the rat? The rat's so small, so we use the gram. Sheep, which one we will use, kilogram or gram? I hear you, good, kilogram. What about the bird? Good, small, we will use gram. Now, as you see in question 2 and question 3, name any object you would think it will be weighted by grams, and in 3 it weighted by kilograms. Write anything. For example, in 2, I think we can write paper. Good. What else? You use in your home. What else? Pen. Good. You can write as many examples as you want. Number 3, name an object you would weight in kilogram. I think the first example will be you. So you can write me. This is the first one. Okay, what else? Any big object. So we can write cow. And what else? Dog. But it should be a big one. Okay. Now, start with challenge 2. 1. We want to transfer from 3,000 gram to kilogram. That means we will transfer from the small unit to a big unit. That means we will do what? Divide. We will divide over 1,000. 3,000 divide over 1,000 equal 3 kilogram. Number 2, 2 kilogram, we want to transfer it to a gram. That means we will transfer from the big unit to small. That means we will multiply by 1,000. So the answer will be 2,000 gram. Move to number 3. Circle the smallest mass in each row. A, you will find 5 gram, then 5 kilogram and 50 gram. You will notice that the first one measured by gram and the third one also measured by gram. So I should transfer this one to a gram also, so I can compare between them. We said that when we transfer from kilogram to gram, that means we will convert from the big unit to the small unit, so we will multiply by 1,000. The answer will be 5,000 kilogram. Now, let's order. No, 5,000 gram. Okay. So order 5 gram, 5,000 gram, and 50 gram. Which one is the smallest? This one. So write number 1. Okay. B. 500 kilogram, 50 kilogram, and 5,000 gram. You will notice that I have 2 numbers measured by kilogram and the last one measured by gram. So the easiest way to change this number to what? To a kilogram. So 5,000 gram converted to kilogram, that means I will convert from the small unit to the big unit, so I will divide over 1,000. 5,000 divide over 1,000, that means the answer will be 5. So let's order it again. I will have let's write it from the beginning. So I will have in B 500 kilogram, 50 kilogram, and 5 kilogram. So which one is the smallest? Good. This one is the smallest. Move to another challenge. Challenge 4. Circle the largest mass in each row. Again, A. We will start at the same. We will find 250 kilogram, then 2,500 gram, 250 gram. Which one is the different one? Yes, this one. So what we will do, we will take it and convert it to gram. From the biggest unit to the smallest units, what we will do? Yes, we will multiply with 1,000. Don't panic with the large numbers. Okay, so the answer will be 250 and add 3 zeros, as simple as it. So the answer will be 250,000 gram. Okay, now let's write the new value here. 250,000 gram and start to compare. 250,000 gram and I have 2,500 gram and I have 250. Which one is the largest one? Obvious, it will be this. Good. Now, B. Solve with me. Now, let's see. 8,000 gram. 5 kilogram and 800 gram. You will notice that I have 2 units with gram, but only one with a kilogram. So I will take this one, different one, and start to transfer it to gram. From big unit to small unit, what we will do? Good. We will multiply with 1,000. Then the answer will be 5,000 gram. So let's write again the new values. Okay, so we transfer 5 kilograms equal 5,000 grams. Now, let's compare. We have 8,000 grams, 5,000 grams, 800 grams. So, the biggest one or the largest one is good, 8,000 grams. Move to another one. Okay. Number 5. How many grams in 4 kilograms? So, he wants you to transfer from 4 kilogram to gram. As we said before, from the biggest units to small units, what we will do? Multiply with 1,000. So, the answer will be 4,000 grams. Here, write it here, 4,000 grams. Okay, B. How many grams in 2.5 kilograms? As I told you before, we will take P here. I have 2 kilo and I have half kilograms. So, first I will convert the 2 kilograms. It will equal what? What we will do? From kilo, 2 grams. From the big to the small, I will multiply. Multiply by 1,000. So the answer will be 2,000 grams. Good. Now, let's remember this one. I told you before that half kilograms equal 500 grams. So now, I will take the first value, this one, 2,000 grams, and this one, and add it together. So the answer will be 2,000 plus 500 equal to 2,500 grams. So the answer here will be 2,500 grams. C. How many kilograms in 6,000 grams? You should now do it fast. Now you want to transfer 6,000 grams to kilogram. That means he will divide. Good. 6,000 divide 1,000, the answer will be 6 grams, 6 kilograms. D. How many kilograms in 2,500 grams? We just do it. And P. So, now what I have 2,000 actually, and I have 500. 2,000 grams means 2 kilograms. And 500 grams means half kilogram. If I add it together, this one, the answer will be 2.5 kilograms. E. How many kilograms in 1,100 grams? You want to transfer it to kilogram. What you will do? I will divide 2 by 1000 because I'm transferring from the smallest unit to the biggest unit. Now, let's remember together the decimals. 0, we can remove this 0 with this 0, this 0 with this 0. What's remain? 11 over 10. Now, let's remember our last unit decimals. 100 over 10 equal, good, 1.1. 1.1 kilograms. So the answer here will be 1.1. The last one, F. How many grams in 3 1/4 kilogram? Let's write it, 3/4 kilogram. It means what? This is 3 kilogram and this 1/4 kilogram. 3 kilograms mean 3,000 grams. And 1/4 kilogram means 250 grams. We add it together. So 3,000 grams plus 250 grams equal 3,250 grams. Okay, now we finish our lesson. Wish you all the best from